Welcome back to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. I'm Hope, and today we're making easy granola. This granola is great with my Instant Pot yogurt, or use it with your favorite yogurt, or eat it as a light snack. Let's get started with the ingredients. I'll also provide the recipe in full in the description box below. For the easy granola, you'll need 4 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, 1 cup of pecans, a half a cup of pepitas or pumpkin seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, a half cup of olive oil, a half cup maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 3/4 cup of dried fruit. I used raisins, but you could use anything you like. Also, as optional, you could put coconut, and I've added a half a cup of coconut into this recipe. So the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then line a rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper as I've done here. In a large mixing bowl, combine the oats, nuts, salt, and cinnamon and stir to blend. Next, pour in the oil, maple syrup, and vanilla. Mix well until all ingredients are lightly coated with the wet mixture. Now you'll want to reserve the coconut and dried fruit until later. Next, pour the mixture into your prepared pan. Spread it out as thin as you can. Kind of pat it down a little bit. This will kind of help the pieces adhere together where you get those little chunks. Now we'll add the coconut about halfway through baking time, and then we'll add the dried fruit at the end. Okay, that looks nice and even. Now we'll take it over to the oven. Here we're putting in a 350 degree oven where it will bake for about 25 minutes. Okay, the cooking time is about halfway through, so we're going to add our coconut. Looking good. Just stir it in just a little bit. We'll finish cooking. Okay, the granola's ready. Let's see how it looks. That looks really good. So you can see it's good and evenly browned. Now the granola is out of the oven and it's nice and brown. I ended up cooking it about 10 minutes more, so in total it was around 35 minutes. So I added the coconut about halfway through, and that is just perfect because none of it's just as brown as the others and nothing is burnt. So now what we're gonna do is add the raisins. We're gonna let this cool. And then once it's cool, we can put it into a Tupperware container where we can have it with our yogurt. Thanks for joining me in Hope's Homemade Kitchen.